So we'll be going into the difference equation solving. So let us comment the same thing. Difference equation, solving using MATLAB. So clear all, close all, and then say CLC semicolon. Now what we will be doing is we'll be accepting the difference equation coefficients from input. So I can define inputs as I'll start it from B is equal to input. I can enter it as enter the coefficients of input x of n, right? And what you can do is you can just copy this, Control C, and put a semicolon there, enter Control V, enter Control V. So we're defining three different variables. So that's my B, A, and I have one more variable y. So this would be my y of n, and no changes in that. I have to enter the initial condition. So enter, what should be the things here? Enter the initial conditions, y of -1, comma y of -2, okay, comma dot, okay, you can give a space there, yeah, right? So you can say z is equal to, we are calculating the initial condition, so I will use something called as FILTIC, okay, and I can pass my variable v comma a comma y, right? I can put a semicolon there, and then say x is equal to what, 1 space 1 by 4 space 1 by 16 space 1 by 64 space 1 by 256 space 1 by 1024, n is equal to 0 length of x minus 1. Y out, you can give it as capital Y, it's not. Y out is equal to phi LDR filter, I can give it as B comma A comma X comma Z, okay, semicolon. And now we have to display the corresponding output. So how exactly the output sequence has to be displayed? So once this has been executed, what do you have to say? Disp, 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 I can say single quote, I can say disp, DIFFERENCE, difference equation solutions. Okay, can say this one is y of n. Okay, and indexing we have to do, say disp of y out. So see into that, y out, y was capital, please take care of that, and then say, can say subplot. Okay, I can say that 2, 1, 1, okay, semicolon, and then say stem of n comma x. Okay, and give a title to it, to the graph, whatever you are getting in. So the titles would be in terms of input sequence. Good, input input sequence of x of n. Let us give it that way, x of n, not x. Yeah, so after this, what you can say, x label the name of the variable x, and then within single quote you can mention that as n, and you can put a semicolon there by label, right? Inside this you can mention x of n. Okay, so here, so once this has been done, you just copy this, Control C, and then press enter, Control V, 2, 1, 1, and this is 2, and this is, instead of x you can put it as y out. Okay, this is your output sequence. This is, instead of x, this is y, and this should be your y of n. So that's the code. Let us go and run this particular program here. It's asking to enter the value of x. What we can give it as int of 1. This is the second value, and give it as 4 and 10. Right? That's the difference equation, and that's the corresponding output sequence. You can see the corresponding output sequence.